All right, just another update on the 1954 Frigidaire refrigerator. I've got the door finished. It's insulated. I got the inner liner put back on. New door seal. Got all the chrome back and put on. It turned out really good. Paint job turned out pretty good. Looks way better than what it looked. I even had the hinges chromed. They were originally, I think, just painted. I've got them chromed. At the back, it's all painted. Compressor's been painted. It's been rewired. Of course, runs great. The old meter miser compressor. We'll open the inside and show you the inside. I still got to finish the inside of it, but here's the inside. I've got to put the freezer door on. I've got to get it painted and everything. It doesn't look, it's not in the best of shape right now. But the door seal, I've got it back on. Of course, I'm gonna leave this on here for a little while till it conforms to the refrigerator. And I can put my shelves back in on the door and on the inside of the refrigerator. And my trim pieces. And that's about it. Everything's looking pretty good. It's gonna take it a while to get used to that new door seal. But all in all, it's looking pretty good. It's gonna be a nice one when it's done. Well, that's about it for this one. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.